Are you ready to meet the newest revolutionary technology that is changing the way we communicate, learn, and even receive healthcare? Look no further than ChatGPT, the advanced natural language processing chatbot that is taking the world by storm. Get ready to discover how ChatGPT is changing the game and paving the way for a future of limitless possibilities. ChatGPT is an advanced chatbot that utilizes the GPT3.5 architecture for natural language processing. It was created by OpenAI, a research laboratory dedicated to developing artificial intelligence in a safe and beneficial manner. ChatGPT has the ability to understand and respond to human language in a way that mimics human-like conversations. It has an impressive ability to generate text, complete sentences, and even paragraphs based on prompts given to it. The importance of ChatGPT cannot be overstated. As communication technology continues to evolve, the ability to converse with machines in natural language is becoming increasingly important. ChatGPT has numerous applications in various industries such as customer service, healthcare, education, and even creative writing. It has the potential to save time and money while improving efficiency and accessibility. In this video, we will dive deeper into what ChatGPT is and its capabilities. We will explore its training process and compare it to other chatbots. Additionally, we will examine the various applications of ChatGPT in different industries and how it is changing the way we communicate. Finally, we will look into the future of ChatGPT and the advancements in natural language processing that will enable it to become even more human-like. Get ready to be amazed by the possibilities that ChatGPT offers. ChatGPT is an advanced chatbot that is powered by the GPT3.5 architecture, a state-of-the-art language model created by OpenAI. This architecture is based on a deep neural network that is trained on vast amounts of data to generate responses that are coherent and human-like. Natural language processing, NLP, is the key technology that allows ChatGPT to understand and respond to human language in a way that is meaningful and accurate. This process involves analyzing the structure and meaning of language, using machine learning algorithms to learn patterns and relationships, and generating appropriate responses based on the input. The training process of ChatGPT involves exposing the chatbot to vast amounts of data, such as text from books, articles, and online conversations. This data is used to train the neural network to recognize patterns in language and generate coherent responses based on the input. The more data that is fed into the system, the more accurate and natural the responses become. Compared to other chatbots, ChatGPT has several advantages. It is capable of generating responses that are more coherent, natural, and contextually relevant, thanks to its advanced language processing algorithms and massive amount of training data. Additionally, ChatGPT is able to learn and adapt to new situations quickly, making it an ideal tool for a wide range of applications. ChatGPT has transformed the way businesses interact with their customers. With its ability to provide quick and accurate responses, it has become a popular tool for customer service. Chatbots powered by ChatGPT can handle a wide range of queries and provide 24/7 support to customers. This helps to reduce the workload of customer support teams and improve customer satisfaction. In addition, ChatGPT-powered chatbots can be customized to match the brand's voice and personality, making them a valuable asset to businesses of all sizes. ChatGPT is also being used in the field of education to provide personalized learning experiences to students. Chatbots can help students with their homework, provide explanations of concepts, and give feedback on assignments. They can also be used to facilitate discussions between students and teachers, making it easier for students to get the help they need. ChatGPT-powered chatbots can also adapt to the learning style and pace of individual students, providing a tailored experience that can help improve academic performance. In the healthcare industry, ChatGPT-powered chatbots are being used to improve patient care. Chatbots can provide patients with information about their condition, medication, and treatment options. They can also answer common questions about healthcare and provide advice on how to maintain a healthy lifestyle. Chatbots can also help healthcare professionals by reducing their workload and streamlining administrative tasks, such as appointment scheduling and record-keeping. With ChatGPT's advanced natural language processing capabilities, it is also being used to facilitate language translation. Chatbots powered by ChatGPT can translate text and voice messages in real time, making it easier for people to communicate with each other even if they speak different languages. This technology is particularly useful for businesses that operate in multiple countries and need to communicate with clients and customers in different languages. ChatGPT is also being used in the field of creative writing. With its ability to generate coherent and engaging text, it can help writers to overcome writer's block and generate new ideas. Chatbots powered by ChatGPT can also help writers to improve their writing skills by providing feedback and suggestions on grammar, style, and tone. This technology has the potential to revolutionize the way we approach creative writing and storytelling. ChatGPT is a revolutionary technology that is transforming the way we communicate, learn, and receive healthcare. Its advanced natural language processing abilities allow it to understand and respond to human language, making it a valuable tool for a wide range of industries. From customer service to education and healthcare, ChatGPT is changing the way we interact with technology and each other. As ChatGPT continues to evolve and improve, it has the potential to become an even more powerful tool for enhancing human interactions and improving our daily lives. With its ability to understand and respond to human language, ChatGPT is making it possible for people to communicate more effectively and efficiently, regardless of language barriers or technical limitations. If you want to learn more about ChatGPT and its potential applications, there are a variety of resources available to help you get started. From articles and videos to online courses and tutorials, there are plenty of opportunities to dive deeper into the world of natural language processing and chatbot technology. So why wait? Start exploring the possibilities of ChatGPT today and see how it can change the way you communicate and interact with the world around you. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content on personal development and growth. See you in the next video.